Meaning of internal rhyme.
Internal rhyme.
Internal rhyme.
Internal rhyme.
Internal rhyme. Internal rhyme is a poetic device that involves rhyming words within a single line of poetry, rather than at the ends of different lines. In internal rhyme, words in the middle or at the end of a line can rhyme with the last word in the same line. This technique is often used in poetry to create a musical effect and to add emphasis to certain words. For example, in the famous poem The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe, there are many examples of internal rhyme, such as once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary. Here, dreary and weary rhyme within the same line.